Today I'll be showing you how to repair a normal Walkman. This Walkman which I have is the WM-EX152, and here if I start it, you can hear that the motor is running, but the spokes are not rotating, they're locked. Even the capstan is not rotating. So this definitely has to be a problem with the belt inside. Like after years of storage, the belt has like degraded, decomposed, and probably turned to powder. So I'll be showing you a quick resolution to this problem. Take out the batteries first. For powering this, you need two AA batteries. Other than that, remove this holder. Then using a screwdriver, I recommend use this screwdriver. Like there are two ways of opening this. They are like these three plastic things inside. You have to push them outwards, like upwards. But if this does not work for you, because these are kind of tough to open, I suggest you put the screwdriver to the stop button and force it up. It's kind of tough because older models are quite risky to open. So I'll see it's opened. So here the entire mechanism is there. There's no belt because it's like decomposed, and you can see the marks are left. So firstly, I'd say before you operate this, take some isopropyl alcohol and just rub it around the gears. Gently just rub it around. Like this will like enable the gears to like rotate faster, more efficiently. Like don't forget there's also a gear there for like rewind. So after that, you need to like take a belt. The one which I have is a rubber belt, but I do recommend that you get like an industrial like type one from Amazon, because these rubber belts don't serve well. Just temporary, like after some use they'll become soggy. So first, how to like tie this belt around? You need to tie it around this second spoke, which is on your left side. So there, see it's working. And also before like so to test it, put the batteries back. Now run. Like just hold this down because it will shake. So as you can see, it's working properly. The gears are rotating perfectly and the motor is running fast. So just to check, rewind, it switched to second gear, working perfectly. Now forward, it's working perfectly. And also, like if you're finding like your cassette's running too slow or the tempo is too bad, then I'd say that you use the screwdriver with which you open this Walkman, and there's a small white potentiometer here. You insert this here, and like rotating clockwise makes it go faster, anti-clockwise makes it go slower. Okay, so let me just do a test. Like insert a random normal type 2 cassette in here, and it runs. You can see it's rotating. Oh wait, I have to skip. Wait, it's working perfect. So this is a quick solution. Now how to put it back: take out the batteries, then like just clip this back in place. Then this, now how do you test this? Like you can take a normal earphone, and this should work just fine. And I'm just putting the volume to max. Great. And now let's put the batteries back. Now it's working. You can hear. And now if you like test this the other way around and like just switch it to metal. You can hear faint sound. So there you go. This is a quick solution to like how to fix a normal Walkman. This might not be a solution for an FM radio Walkman because those have very set small bends. But like you can repair them same way like the way I just did in this. So here you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for viewing.